In this video, we will show you how to conduct a meeting in Microsoft Teams. To conduct a meeting in Microsoft Teams, it's very easy. First, open your Microsoft Teams. After that, in here, I will make the Microsoft Teams full screen. And to conduct a meeting, just click calendar menu in here. Okay. Then in here, if you want to participate on the others people meeting, you can join with an ID here. You also need the meeting passcode. But if you want to conduct a meeting for yourself or for your meeting, you can just click meeting now, or you can create schedule here. To meeting now, you just click this button. Okay, this is the meeting name. For example, meeting, okay, discussion for the web, for example, and you can click start meeting here. And in here, you can turn on your camera. Then you can click join now. You can click allow access. Then you can add participant in here. Okay, you can click share invite and then copy meeting link. Then you can share the meeting link to another people or to another participant. And that's all tutorial how to conduct a meeting using Microsoft Teams. Hope this video helpful for you.